Alright guys, so right now we are walking to my car. I haven't slept all night. We went 2 for 1 today. 2 wins, 1 loss. You know, we're fucking still grinding. I gotta go and I'm actually in the middle of a move right now. I gotta go and find a fucking new place to live. It's actually extremely hard here in Miami. If I don't find something today, I'm probably just gonna get the fuck out of the state, if I'm being honest. At this point, it's not worth it compared to what I can get in elsewhere. So yeah, guys, we go through real ass shit. Yeah, we're about to eat breakfast with the boy at La Carreta. Holy fuck, this is... How long?
25 minutes.
25 minutes? Cap, bro. It's been so much longer. It's been like 2 minutes. No, 2 hours, sorry. I literally haven't slept, bro, my bad. You have anything to say for yourself?
There's just a lot of traffic here in Miami, boys. That's why if you guys want to go somewhere where there's no traffic, we should definitely get the fuck out of Miami.
And we go to Texas? Are we going to Texas?
No traffic. Texas, I tell you, in 25 minutes, I'm there in 16 minutes. You know, here in Miami, I tell you, I'm there in 25 minutes, and then I'm there like in an hour, bro. Because traffic here is just too congested. Too many people.
Hey, you pulled up.
You like the menu or what? You like it or what?
You said you were gonna buy me a fucking Kubi. How many times then? Over the phone, you said you were gonna buy me a Kubi.
Yo, I just don't like supporting addictions, you know? It's just...
Bro, it's been fucking 2 hours. You got here fucking 2 hours late. Come on, bro.
Oh, damn, I'm down.
You're not down.
I was
wait,
up.
Wait,
I was
let
up.
it, let
I
it
was
focus.
up. I was up 6.
Dang.
There you go.
Sheesh.
Writing that shit to...
You know the vibes? Trader lifestyle, bitch.
17.9.
Let me see. You drug addict. Okay.
Where's the gas station
Whipping it. I don't know, bro. Nearest gas station right now. I need a Kubi instantly.
Is that
Bro, this motherfucker wants me to eat a $7 steak and eggs.
Yeah, bro, it's fire. Eggs
$7 steak and eggs?
Eggs don't even cost more than $1 or $2, and steak
Bro.
costs like... You're getting that fucking... You're paying the pound, bro. You're literally
Bro,
paying
we
the
are not
pound.
getting $7 steak and eggs, bro.
Bro, what type of steak did they
Yo, we're about to get fucking poisoned if we fucking chill with JP
Yo,
tomorrow.
Dr. Hart thinks that you go to La Carreta to eat filet mignon type of steak. Like, he just want... You see...
They don't even know what La Carreta is because it's such
There's
a
just some
shitty
people
food
that like
chain.
paying $25, $35 a steak, you know?
Bro, you're supposed
when
to
you
take
can
a
eat
left.
it for $7.99.
You're supposed to take a left, buddy. Look at you, bro. Look at you. Alright, boys, so you know what I noticed? I noticed that a lot of fucking friends don't fucking pull up when you need them the most. I'm literally no sleep here, and one of my good friends literally pulled up just to fucking chill with me, eat breakfast with me, talk about shit. What is he? What bad news is he gonna bring now?
This gas station because they don't have here. They don't sell.
They don't sell any electronics.
No, nothing. Literally, I just went in there and asked for like Kubi.
Ignore
food.
everything I said about him. This guy's just fucking all over the place today.
Why?
I was saying such nice things about you.
Nah.
Yeah.
What are you saying?
And now,
Yo, your money.
success
Yeah.
in the bag. Oh fuck! I just gave away all my information.
Addiction.
Addiction is saved. Thank you for killing me, sir. Appreciate you.
Good enough. Either way.
Our little croquetas here.
Fire. Shit is fire.
Yes, sir. You know the vibes.
You said he.
Sheesh. Little Cuban sandwich. You know the vibes. Miami style with some orange juice. What did you get here? Potatoes,
Potatoes, eggs, French toast,
French toast,
and bacon.
sheesh. Eggs and bacon, baby.
You want for my plate? Anything?
The food, JP.
It was a 10. As you can see, all the plates are devoured. Look at that.
Look how
Look at
fucking
Toonie's
good
plate.
customers
Toonie
are.
said this shit sucks. Devoured it.
It was fucking amazing, boys. Now we're gonna get the fuck out of here. Time to go. So what's up, guys? Getting ready to start my trading session. Sorry. Seeing and what I'm noticing is that GJ might go long again, just like we did yesterday. Alright, guys. So on this little GJ position, as you guys can see, we caught a Fibonacci long. Boom. TP hit. That's GJ on the 15-minute time frame. TP didn't quite hit though. I did get out at 9 pips profit. as you guys can see right here. Close some here, and then you know, everything is sent to the Signal chat, and then you know, dubs in the fucking stream. As you guys can see, bangers only. Literally says it right there, bangers only. Let's go. Alright guys, so on that same GJ setup over here, price actually ripped up. Here, let me go back. Price ripped up about 28 pips. I set that as our TP2 over here for the Learn and Earn as well. As you guys can see, you guys can go back. All called for the Telegram, the VIP family. Just updated them with TPs. Close them here. We did close out a little bit early, but that's fine, just because we did take a small loss over here. It was a very risky trade. GJ sells. Low risk. I closed half before hitting stop loss, so that's fine. We also caught I believe a 35 pip nut on EJ. So let's see what we can do. See if we can keep running on GJ. What's up guys? Today I'm currently outside right now, where the people walk their dogs. As you can see, pretty nice little spot here. But today we're gonna have some fucking fun. We're gonna take a little bit off stress off my mind. We're gonna go bowling with Daniel Savage, Barca Savage. Tried to invite JP Savage, but that motherfucker never answers me. But we are literally going to have a fun day, so stay tuned. You guys will fucking love it. Peace. What's up, Doggy Savage?
Rolls-Royce for that scooter.
Doggy Savage!
Oh, camera game!
You know how we ride in? Sheesh. Double R, you know the vibes. We're bowling, boys. Sheesh. Savage gang bowling, you know the vibes.
Bowling for $4. $5 bills. You should take $5 bills.
Who's gonna win? You're gonna win?
$1 bills, dude. This bum ass machine, bro.
When you only have hundreds and you can't play basketball?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna go today.
Sheesh! Strike!
You know the vibe.
Strike!
Yo, we're lucky getting murked by this fucker over here. Look at him. He don't even care, bro.
He's just there on his phone while we're here trying to catch up.
I love her so much.
And he's here.
My puppy, bro. I screamed at her. She got sad. Did you see the video?
Yeah, I saw it.
She was like, what?
Salty and the couch.
Is it recording? Yeah, it's still recording. Record. Oh, what the hell? Like Buhidi as hell.
Yo, tell him how shitty the camera is, Daniel.
Turn the recording on.
Tell him how shitty the camera.
What the hell is this, bro?
That's what I'm saying, bro. Like, I keep so setting.
I'll play with it. No homo, I'll play with it. Just, where the what kind of dookie ass camera is this, bro?
What is he?
No, I'm just gonna get the one they have. The one they have is fire.
Yeah.
This is supposed to be
Fucking give him a free ticket, and he was like, "Oh, I want a free ticket," and she was like, "How old are you?" Excuse me, can I get you?
So this is fucking city place. You know the fucking vibes. This is where we played pool at. This is what you get when you fucking move to Miami. Right now we're going to a fucking hookah spot. I low-key took the fucking beer. I took the beer cup from the fucking spot. And cheers to you guys. But right now we're gonna meet up with fucking Daniel Savage. He left us early, unfortunately. But we are gonna go meet up with him right now, and we're gonna fucking smoke some fucking hookahs, have a fucking great time with the fucking boys. At the end of the day, you need to hang out with the people who care about you, the friends who care about you, the people who fucking love you. And at the end of the day, there's no better friends than your fucking boys. Simple. And we're actually driving in this fucking fresh ass car right now. Tuna no crust. What did he get me into tonight?
Bro, I don't know, but it's a fucking parking violation.
No way.
I don't know how. I got the handicap sticker on.
Bro, we got fucking violated. But whatever, dude. Look at the car we're in. Fucking car though.
Yeah, boy. This is hard work.
This is what Miami does too. I'm just kidding.
Fuck yeah. I mean, wait, bro.
Tesla in the
if you
front.
could pay it, pay that shit.
Might
bro.
as well, right?
Fuck yeah. But they were supposed to give me a fucking ticket, bro. Like,
Let me see the
I
ticket.
have the fucking handicap for a reason.
Bro, did I tell you I'm a doctor? That means I'm a lawyer. So let's see. What did GJ do yesterday? Wow, you see, GJ was extremely choppy over here. This is GJ on the 30-minute time frame, but we're gonna go ahead and go to the 4-hour time frame. We've just kind of been in this choppy ass range here. The shorts were valid here on GJ, but as you guys can see, we're kind of in this range here. I would draw my support over here. Right, so we're tapping into that area. We also tapped into this area multiple times. As you guys can see, it's actually a support and resistance area. Then price, you know, what else can we do? Price can come down over here, tap into this area here. Let me actually extend this to the right. Extend right, boom. As you can see right there, then we have this area here as well. Bang, bang. And what else do we got? We got this area here. And this area here. So what can happen, right? Price starts to break below here, we could easily catch a move that looks like this. If price breaks above here, you can catch a move that looks like this. But we do have to be very, very patient and see what happens. Alright guys, called these beautiful buys here on German 30. Haven't traded her in a minute, but you know, setup was nice. We clearly see this level gets respected here, respected here, respected here, respected here. Here we kind of push below, but if you notice on the 4-hour time frame, price, you know, did come down over here, but we respected a lot of it, right? So then once the price, I saw price closing right over here, I was like, you know what, this is gonna fucking skyrocket. So I entered right over here, based on this 15-minute candle here. Once we broke this high over here, as you guys can see, that little wick broke the high, entered the position, all called for the VIP signal group. And we're live on YouTube. W's in the chat, you know the vibes. I just made a little video here for the VIP program. They find out exactly why I took the trade, why I got out a little early, why I took all my setups. We did break down these 3 trades that we took yesterday. 2 for 1 on the day, which is not too shabby, but I do put a lot of time and effort into the videos I make, and I make sure that people do understand. And at the end of the day, my goal is to make everybody profitable and impact their trading in the best way that I can. But yeah guys, I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace. Hey, what's up guys? So I am editing the video now. I know it's gonna look a little choppy and a little, you know, weird. Give me some slack. It is my first vlog ever, but if you did like it, put a like and comment so I know exactly if I should be doing this more often or if I should just keep it strictly trading videos. I'll be more than happy to do whatever you guys want. At the end of the day, this YouTube channel is for you guys. Hope you guys liked the video though.